The Muzata CB17 cable railing kit offers an elegant solution with its ability to completely hide the cable fittings within metal posts, providing a clean and seamless look. This kit features a versatile multi-angle design that allows the toggle anchor terminal to rotate up to 180 degrees, making it adaptable for various configurations. A standout feature of the Muzata CB17 is its swageless design, which removes the need for a hydraulic crimper, saving both time and effort during installation. The fittings are reusable, allowing for adjustments and remeasurements without wasting materials, which adds to the product's cost-effectiveness. The compact design enables the use of two toggle anchor terminals at a single corner post without interference, ideal for tight spaces or wall-adjacent installations. Muzata is renowned for its dedication to providing quality and affordable home improvement products, making the CB17 a reliable choice for railing projects.